For today I'm going to show you how to fix a battery charger for an Apple laptop. It's easy to fix, so you don't have to spend any money in buying a new one. Typical problem is that the wire is damaged right next to the charger. First thing to do is cut the wire at the damaged spot, but leave some reserve. Since the charger is glued, we will need an air gun or a simple household hairdryer. Use the hottest setting available to get rid of the glue. It should take no longer than 2 minutes. Use pliers to open up the corpus. It splits into 2 parts. Collect every single part that falls out so we could put everything back together later on. Using the screwdriver, carefully remove the other plastic side. We need to get to the charger's wires, so we're gonna have to use the soldering iron to get the copper ground wire off. With the screwdriver, remove the copper casing. Then cut the wire lock and remove the old wire from it with hands or an electric drill, because we're going to put the new wire through it. When the new wire is put through the lock, prepare the end of the wire for soldering. Also, do the same thing for the charger's current wire. Then you need to cover the wires in tin. Then you have to solder the wires together to secure great contact and ensure that the charger actually works. Also, don't forget to isolate the wires with duct tape. When everything seems in somewhat finished state, put all the parts back together. Of course, it won't look as beautiful as before, but at least it will function as it should. You can use hairdryer to melt the glue and glue it back together, but the gaps will still be visible. In the end, check if the charger gives out the approximate voltage. If so, you're finished and you can go and charge your laptop.